Here's our 2013 Chevy Equinox. This is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder that gets 32 miles per gallon. It's front wheel drive. This Equinox does come with a salvage title. They had light front damage here. All the cooling was replaced. The front bumper cover was replaced. This fender was not touched. And even both front headlights are still the original headlights to the Equinox. They have not been changed out at all. It was a direct center hit. I don't know if it hit a pole or what it was, but it hit whatever it was right in the center. It did not go back and hit the engine or anything like that. Of course, the hood shuts just fine. This fender was replaced, and the only reason why it was replaced is because it had slid back just a little bit. I think the hood came back here when the front impact there pushed this corner back, and it just bent this part of the hood, and that was the fender, and that's the only reason why this fender was replaced. Of course, it deployed all the airbags as well. All the airbags have been replaced. Do a walk around. You can see the tires look brand new. Looking on the outside of the vehicle, this here is about the only mark that I could find. It looked like somebody kind of bumped into something backing up there. Now, curtain airbags did replace, and you can see there's a tear here in the headliner. There isn't one on this side, but there is on that side. We didn't replace the headliner because frankly, they're $1,000 brand new, and most people would rather save $1,000 and deal with a tear than have a headliner replaced. No suspension damage whatsoever. You can see looking straight up here that all the cooling was replaced brand new. Looking in there, you can see all the fins are brand new. Go ahead and shut it off here. Open the door, just so you can see what a fresh startup looks like. Make sure I'm not hiding any check engine lights or anything like that. You can see everything goes out. The only one flashing right now is right here. That's your seatbelt light. And then the white one here is telling me the cruise is on, but I'll turn it off. Just means it's on, not set. And then mile per hour. In other words, runs great. We got touchscreen radio here, Bluetooth, and your cruise control functions. Oop, forgot to show you, we've only got one key. This car does not have the power rear liftgate. Of course, this has got the sliding rear seat, so the back seat, as you can see, it slides forward and back, and then the back seats do recline as well. Does have backup camera. And we'll go for a little drive. And there's no shimmies or shakes or rattles or anything like that in this Equinox. I've driven this for a couple hundred miles now, and it's good as new. Currently there's 22,796 miles on it. This is my daily driver right up until we sell it, so it's a great car, great fuel economy. Let's see, we're going on a straight stretch of road. I'm not touching the steering wheel whatsoever, and we're still going straight down the road. The alignment's good. Nice and quiet. Give it the gas here a little bit. See there's no wobbles, no pulls in the steering. Again, not touching the steering wheel whatsoever. Still not touching. We're going straight down the road. Everything works in this Equinox. There's not a single thing in it that doesn't work. Of course, you know, we got power windows and locks. It's really nice about these Equinoxes, you know, the 2012 and 13s. This one's a 13. They actually put the power door locks there on the door itself, where the 10s and 11s only have the power locks here. For some people, it's not a big deal, but for me, it's I couldn't have a vehicle that just had the power locks there. But so the nicer Equinoxes are a little bit nicer that way. Or CD player. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Horn works. And looking in here, I can actually tell you this Equinox sold to the prior owner for $23,000. Here I have their actual purchase, and right here you can see their full purchase price, $22,991. So that's the purchase price of what they paid for this vehicle. We do have an owner's manual. So $23,000, you can buy this same exact vehicle for $8,000 less, thereabouts, just because it's been in an accident. Oh, and the date on that sale, as you can see here, it's August 13, 2013, so half a year ago, a little more. So if you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you.